Morning guys, so this is day 3 and yes, we're going what are we doing today?
Today we're going to Mole National Park to see the elephants.
Yep, and first we're going to stop at the Larabanga Mosque. Yep, that's what we're going to do. Mosque. Yeah, the oldest mosque in Ghana.
And you can touch the mosque. And if you are here, you can see that we are
So this is the Muslim entrance.
We use it every day. But today being Friday, everybody leaves mosque. Come here.
Yeah, the big one. Yeah.
And that's the biggest tower of the mosque. And we face at the direction of Eastern.
So which door is this?
That's the chief imam entrance.
Chief imam.
Apart from him, nobody uses the door. It's only him who uses the door.
Okay. So this is the chief imam's door. Yeah, entrance. No one apart from the chief imam gets inside.
And that's the last door for the men. All the men.
Why do they use separate doors?
They don't want.
This
When
is
you get this,
this is the men. The men uses this is the entrance.
You know, down
So
there they came here to
we
buy
couldn't
them.
go into that mosque because of some reasons. So we're come to see a shea butter, how they make it. Original shea butter.
So that's the nut.
The nut.
The women, they normally go to the bush to carry them. So when they come, there is a shell covering it. You have to break the shell and get the nut. So after you get the nut, you still break them into pieces and fry them. So you then send them to grinder mill to grind them into liquid, like chocolate form. So you bring them to the house. So you divide the liquid into 2 in a big basin. So we organize like about 4 women to help her to do the stirring. So when you stir them for about 30 minutes, you see some white things coming out. So you have to go for a pot and collect all the white things in that pot, and you boil them for about 1 hour time. You see all the oil in pot, and the chance to be under the pot. And this is the women's also do for living. They have like containers like this, which they also sell in package where people buy charcoal. And also it's good for massaging. When you are to swim in the pool, when you jump inside and you're out, you see the water.